that's the back of the DRL light. These babies are, I don't know, about 190 quid. I got them off a company called SWD. Just got them off eBay. A bit expensive, but it's going to do away with all the bits and pieces that I haven't got. Right, let's take it over to the van. Dead easy to fit. You've got your H3 bulb, H4 bulb connector, your indicator connector, and your side light indicator. On the back of these, you just same thing. You've got your side light connector. Just remove this for your indicator. And there you have your H4 bulb connector. So, direct replacement, 4 screws, job done.